Okay, here we are. Finally, you can see the hot surface igniter glowing. Okay, we got the flame finally. So, I originally attended this call. The property manager hasn't been able to get this unit running. It's a Chinook 15,000 BTU, so it's a really small furnace, as you can see. Maybe 10 inches wide, 2.5 feet tall kind of thing. Sequence of operation, I eventually determined the other day that I needed a hot surface igniter. And upon looking at it, it was clear that it was past its due date with no continuity on the two wires going into the hot surface igniter. This is the old one. There was a big deposit of white chunky material on that. So it looks like right now that it is running as it should be. So I'm just going to check the information on it to make sure it's within its specs. And we're looking at a temperature rise of between 20 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to check that, and I'm going to go and clock it and make sure we're within specs. But so far, so good.